Hello, this is Joel Matthew Alfred, UR15 CS342, and this is my third program in data structures. The program is the array implementation of queue. Now the question for this is to stimulate the working of a queue of integers using an array with the following operations, that is insert, delete, display, queue full, and queue empty. Now moving on to the algorithm. Step 1 is start the program. Step 2 is include the header file and the standard library function. Step 3 is declare the functions enqueue, dequeue, display is empty is full. Step 4 is declare initialize the variables area is equal to area is equal to -1, a friend is equal to -1, n data and an array of size 10, a of 10 about the main. Now step 5 is input the size of the queue. Step 6 is input the choice to perform either of the operations insert, delete and display. Now step 7 is under switch case. Case 1 input the data to be inserted into the queue. Call the function enqueue. Case 2 is input data to be deleted from the queue. Call the function dequeue. And case 3 is call the function display. Step 8 in empty. If a of friend is equal to a of rare, then return 1 else return 0. Step 9 is full. If area r is equal to n minus 1, then return 1 else return 0. Step 10 is in enqueue. If is full is equal to 1, then display the stack is overflowing, else increment a area and store the data in a of area r. Now step 11 in dequeue, if is empty is equal to 1, then display the stack is empty, else increment front and store the data in a variable and display the deleted element. Step 12 in display, check if there's any element in the queue, else display the elements of the queue using follow. And step 13 is stop the program. Now moving on to the program. As usual, start with the header file hash include stream using namespace standard. Now we declare the following, that's void enqueue of int, void dequeue, void display, int is full, int is empty, int area is equal to -1, n data, an array of size 10, that's a of 10, and a friend is equal to -1. Now moving on to the main function. Under main function we declare in choice and character ch. Then we allow the user to input by asking the user enter the size of the enqueue. Enter the size of the queue. The user inputs his value in the variable n. Now using do while loop, do cout. First one is insert, second delete, and third display. Now we ask the user to enter choice 1, 2, or 3. The user enters choice under choice. Now switching to choice using the switch case. Now under case 1, cout enter the element. So the user inputs the data and under C in data, and then enqueue data, and then the breaks. Then case 2 is dequeue and then break. Case 3 display and break, and the default that the fourth case is cout invalid entry. Now we ask the user to whether he wants to continue. Do you want to continue? If yes, press Y, or else press any other key to exit. Now cin, that's ch choice, while ch is equal to y or ch is equal to small y, then we end up do while loop. Now moving on to the rest of the program. Now int is empty, that is declare is empty under int. Now if a of friend is equal to a of rare, then we return 1, else we return 0. Next is int is full, that is check whether it is full or no. We declare is full. Now if area r is equal to n minus 1, then we return 1, else we return 0. Then void enqueue in data. Now if not is full, that is if it is not full, then area plus plus, and a into area of r is equal to data, area r is equal to data, else cout queue is overflowing, that is if it is full, then queue is overflowing. Now the next thing is void dequeue. Now we check if it is empty or no, so we declare if it's not empty, then okay, now we declare if it's empty or no. Now if it's empty, then we execute, then the program tells Q is empty. If it is not empty, then a of friend plus plus int b is equal to a into a of friend. See out the deleted element is so and so. Now moving on to void display. Now in order to display the result, we use void display. Now if it's empty, then it displays Q is empty. Else, if it's not empty, then for int I is equal to a of friend plus 1, I less than equal to area r, then I plus plus. See out a of I, and for int I is equal to a friend plus 1, I less than equal to area r, I plus plus. See out a of I. So that's the end of the program. Now let's execute the program to check the final answer. Enter size of the queue. So let's enter it as 2. Insert. We need to insert an element, so we press 1. Now enter the element. So we put as maybe 12. Do you want to continue? So we press yes. Again, insert another element. So we press 1. Now let's put the value as 13. Enter the of 14. Do you want to continue? We press again yes. Now again put insert value. This is check. Now let's put as 16. So it comes Q is overflowing, which is that it has exceeded the size of the queue. So now let's continue. Now let's delete entry. So put 2. The deleted element is 12. Do you want to continue? So you press yes. Again let's press delete. So 2. So deleted element is 14. Do you want to continue? You press again yes. And again just delete, just check. So we press 2, and then it shows Q is empty, which that is a queue. There's no element in the queue. So we can add an element. So we continue, press Y, and an element. So enter choice 1. Press 15. Again we add another element, enter choice 1, and again we add maybe 17. And do you want to continue? Yes. Now let's display the result. So that's the end of the program. Thank you.